Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the blessing of God. So, students, today I am going to teach you English literature from your main book, Beehive, and poem number 6, No Men Are Foreign, by James Kirkup. The pronunciation is Kirkup. Guys, you open the copy, note down the name of the poem in your Beehive book. It is given NCERT book, the main book, poem number 6 or chapter 6, under the heading of poetry, No Men Are Foreign, by James Kirkup, JAMESKIRKUP, James Kirkup. He was born in 1918 and died in 2009. So the poem, it consists of 5 stanzas, and through the lines of the poem, the poet has presented his feelings about human beings, about man's thinking, temperament, or you can say that he has revealed whatever he used to feel through the lines of the poem. So, it is a self-revelation of the poet James Kirkup. James Kirkup, he was a modern poet. When he was born, the First World War, it was about to conclude, about to end up. But he saw the Second World War. That means he is the witness of Second World War, that is 1939 to 45. So, whatever he had witnessed, whatever he had observed, it is his observation, it is James Kirkup's observation. He has narrated through the lines of the poem, No Men Are Foreign. So, students, I am going to read the poem before you. And today, I will only tell you the summary of the poem, or what is the content of the poem. That's it. Because I don't want to exaggerate the chapter, don't want to exaggerate my lecture. So, today I will tell you only what is the summary, what is the content, or poem is based on what topic or what concept. Then in my next lecture, English literature from Beehive itself, I will explain the poem, I will explain the theme, plot, and rest of the chapter. So I'm going to read the poem before you, guys. Those who have the book, you can go through the book, you can look at the book. Those who don't have, you please pay attention and listen to my reading carefully. No Men Are Foreign, by James Kirkup. Remember, no men are strange, no country is foreign. Beneath all uniforms, a single body breathes. Like ours, the land our brothers walk upon. Is earth like this in which we all shall lie? They too, aware of sun and air and water, are fed by peaceful harvest, by war's long winter starved. Their hands are ours, and in their lines we read, a labor not different from our own. Remember, they have eyes like ours that wake or sleep, and strength that can be won by love in every land is common life that all can recognize and understand. Let us remember, whenever we are told to hate our brother, it is ourselves that we shall dispossess, betray, condemn. Remember, we who take arms against each other. It is the human earth that we defy, our hells of fire and dust outrage the innocence of air that is everywhere our own. Remember, no men are foreign and no country is strange. So, students, these are the 5 stanzas, the complete poem, No Men Are Foreign. So this poem, it depicts about the human feelings, it depicts about the discrimination that is created by man himself, the segregation, the discrimination on caste, creed, color, race, the racial feelings. We do say they are foreigners. They do say we are foreigners. We are strangers to them, or they are strangers to us. James Kirkup, he wants to say, who are strangers? There are no strangers. There are no foreigners on earth. Only one characteristic we do carry or we do possess, that is, we are human beings. So question does not arise about caste, creed, color or race. We do breathe in the same air. We witness the same single sun. We witness the same single moon and all the Galaxian bodies. In the night, we all human beings sleep. In the morning, we all human beings wake up. And the same sun we do see when we see the morning, when dawn breaks. The same sun, only one single sun. And in the night, only one moon. So who are foreigners? Who are strangers? We are the members of the same family, the global family. We have the same biological structure. The foreigners, they do breathe in the same air, amidst the same air. They do also use the same water and rivers of ocean and seas. And if they call us strangers, if they call us foreigners, we also use the same water, same air we do breathe. We do enjoy the same sunrise and the moonlit night. We also sleep. We also close our eyes when we do sleep in the night, and they also. And we also open our eyes when we wake up. So, guys, when I started this chapter, I told you that line by line, today I am not going to explain you. Only stanza 3. I am reading stanza 3 because it is one of the important stanzas of the poem. All the stanzas are important. each and every stanza consists of meaningful. Each and stanza is meaningful, consists of deep meaning. So, this stanza 3, remember, they have eyes like ours that way. They have also eyes. If they call us, we are strangers, we are foreigners, we have also eyes as them. Or if we call them strangers or foreigners, they have also eyes as us. So remember, they have eyes like ours that wake. We also do wake up after sleep in the morning. We also open our eyes or eyelid, or sleep and strength that can be won by love in every land in common life that all can recognize and understand. We walk on the same line. It is whatever the geographical border, whatever the geographical boundaries, those are created by men. We have created that. The geographical border, the territories, the regions, the countries, the continents, we have created. These are all creations of men themselves.